There are two new Social Security bills in Congress right now. One bill would increase and expand Social Security benefits. The other bill would be a fast track way to change and cut Social Security benefits. I'll let you know the details of those two bills. Also, coming in 2024, less than 2 months away, there are two good changes that'll help out Social Security and one of the worst changes that won't help Social Security. I'll let you know what those changes are, let you know all the details about Social Security, and give you the latest updates as well. Before I dive into the main content, if you appreciate these Social Security updates, hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel for more Social Security updates regarding increases, decreases, and bills. And this video is sponsored by my company, Wise Sense. If you or anyone you know is looking to increase your credit score and remove negative items from your credit report, got my details down in the description below. All right, let's get into it here. If you were asked, what do you want first, good news or bad news? Well, let's start with this one. Sort of good news here. So Casey introduces bill to expand Social Security benefits. So currently, widows, widowers, surviving divorced spouses face disproportionately high rates of poverty and unnecessary and burdensome hurdles to access Social Security benefits. The SWIFT Act would fix these outdated and arbitrary restrictions, ultimately increasing Social Security benefits for more than 1 million Americans. So that's a good part right there. Ultimately, increasing Social Security benefits for more than 1 million Americans. So basically, what was said here is Social Security is a lifeline for many older adults and people with disabilities. Yet, because of outdated rules and disproportionately affect women, many of those who rely on Social Security are not receiving all the benefits they need and deserve. The SWIFT Act will modernize Social Security and help the program keep its promise of a financially secure retirement for all Americans. So, the SWIFT Act, what it would do, it would remove these barriers and modern Social Security by allowing widows, widowers, and surviving divorced spouses with disabilities to receive 100% of the survivor benefit they are entitled to, regardless of their age. Excuse me. Number two, giving widowers, and surviving divorced spouses the ability to increase the value of their survivor benefits beyond current arbitrary cap. Number three, enabling widowers and surviving divorced spouses caring for children to receive child in care benefits until their age are 18 or 19 if still in school. And number four, requiring the federal government to proactively provide information to widowers, and surviving divorced spouses after benefits they are eligible for, claiming options and important deadlines. So you can add the SWIFT Act to the other dozen or so Social Security bills that are in Congress right now. So this bill is in Congress, but yet no action being taken, no plan for a vote. I'll keep you updated on what happens with this bill. Next up, bipartisan bill establishes fiscal commission that could fast track Social Security cuts. So the new Fiscal Stability Act, introduced by Senator Manchin and Romney, would create a fiscal commission that critics warn could cut Social Security benefits behind closed doors without public input. So, what's going on here? The Fiscal Stability Act, a new bipartisan bill introduced Thursday, established a fiscal commission to address the national debt and make fast track changes to Social Security, including potential cuts, according to a report. The bill was introduced by Senator Joe Manchin and Mitt Romney and co-sponsored by 8 other senators from both parties. Critics say the commission could cut Social Security and Medicare benefits behind closed doors. Nancy Altman, president of Social Security Works, stated the proposed commission is Robin Hood in reverse, multimillionaire senators plotting to steal working people's earned Social Security and Medicare benefits behind closed doors. In summary, the new Fiscal Stability Act would establish a fiscal commission empowered to make fast track changes and potential cuts to Social Security. The bipartisan bill is facing criticism from advocates who believe it could lead to benefit cuts being made behind closed doors without public input. So, according to this commission could make some changes to Social Security without having a broader vote. The commission could make the changes by themselves if this bill passes, if the Fiscal Stability Act passes. So far, it hasn't yet, but that's what could potentially happen. Here are two big changes coming to Social Security. Sorry, here are the two best big changes coming to Social Security in 2024 and the number one worst change. All right, so let's get into it here. First, best change, increased benefits. So this is the COLA going at 3.2%, but was 8.7% last year. So there is still a COLA. It's not zero, it's not great, but I guess it's there. Best change number two, higher earning limits for early retirees. So, another Social Security change will help seniors next year. The earning limits for workers who begin receiving retirement benefits before their full retirement age, the FRA, will be higher in 2024. SSA deducts $1 from benefits for every $2 above a specified threshold for anyone who begins receiving Social Security benefits before their FRA. So when workers reach their FRA, the previously deducted benefits will start to be repaid. However, the Social Security change will mean more disposable income for many individuals who claim retirement benefits early but continue to work. So the worst change, more earnings subject to payroll taxes. So, who is this going to affect? So, the maximum taxable earnings limit will increase to $168,600 beginning January 2024, a 5.2% jump. Most people won't be affected by this backdoor tax increase, though. A dishonorable mention, the worst non-change for Social Security is Social Security's insolvency. So basically saying still no action being taken about Social Security becoming insolvent in 9 years from now, which could result in a 25% cut. So that could be the most important change that's needed and could be the most drastic change that happens to a Social Security recipient's check. So I'll keep you updated on all of that. And that is all the news that I have for you today to hopefully brighten your day a bit. Here's my daughter Bella's tip of the day.
Hi guys, this is Belle's tip of the day, and what I want to tell you is always stay happy. Always be glad for your family, because your family is the ones who made you and made you. So everybody, hope you have a good July 4th. Bye! Now?
Thank you so much for watching. If you want to know how and who are getting the $2,163 extra Social Security checks, you're going to want to click this video right up here, as I'll mention who's going to get the extra monthly $2,100. So click that video now, and I'll see you in that video. Take care, be safe. Thank you for watching.